Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a part-time clothing reseller on Poshmark and eBay, and in today's video, I had a request from a viewer to do a tutorial on the keyword planner that I use. So I've been using Google Keyword Planner. I also use Keywords Everywhere. The one thing that I've noticed about Keywords Everywhere is not only does it cost money, it's like $10 for 100,000 credits, but they do pull their information from Google Keyword Planner, so it's really not worth me paying that extra money when I can just go to Google Keyword Planner and just get it all for free. And also they only separate for a year. On Google Keyword Planner, you can look up data in the last 30 days. So I would much rather look at what people are searching for now. So if you're not familiar with Google Keyword Planner, basically it is showing you people's search queries on the internet. So whatever you're typing in that Google search bar, Google is saving that and putting that, compiling it into, a volume list and showing you, hey, this many people search for this term, this many people search for this term. And it's helpful because you can look up clothing brands, you can look up, jeans or tops, whatever it is, and it'll kind of show you like the top searches for, things that have to do with that category. So we're going to look at it. So I prefer to look at Keyword Planner on Firefox. I do not like to look at it on Chrome or on Edge or any Internet Explorer because I found that when I look at Google Keyword Planner on Firefox, it shows me the actual search volume. I don't know why it doesn't do that on the others. It could possibly be because of my Keywords Everywhere app. I don't think so, but I'm just going to show it to you on here, and definitely let me know if you try it out, if it shows up for you without Keywords Everywhere. But yeah, I've noticed that, so I just prefer to use that. It's just a lot easier. But yeah, so let's go ahead and look at what to do. So in order to get to Google Keywords, you usually have to go to Google Ads, but you can type in Google Keyword Planner in your Google search and it'll show you, it'll be like ads.google.com/keyword planner. On mine, it says ads.google.com/AW/keyword planner. I don't know what the AW stands for, but so whenever you get into Google Keyword Planner, you're going to have two sections that you can choose from, either discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. I typically do the discover new keywords, and you would just click that. So once you're on this discover new keywords page, you would just type in whatever you're looking for. So if you're typing in a brand, let's just type in anthropology. You would just type that in and search for that. All right, so once you're on this main page, there's a lot of stuff all over the place. It's extremely easy. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be paying attention to if you're doing keyword research for brands to see what type of stuff people look for right now. But the first thing you want to do is check your dates. So over here, you have the dates section and it says April 20th to March 2021. What I do is change it to last month. I want to see the last 30 days. So that is what I do. And then some of these things will change up a little bit because obviously it was looking at the entire last year. So right here you have keywords. So all of these down here are going to be your keywords. This is going to be like the main words that you're going to be looking at. Volume is going to be the amount of people who have searched for these keywords. So say this one right here, anthropology home is a keyword. It has a volume of 12,100 searches per month, right, for the last 30 days. That's what that is. CPC stands for cost per click, and that is for people who are buying Google ads. A lot of people will try to rank for these keywords to get people to click their ads on Google to go to their websites. So that means it's going to cost somebody 40 cents per click to use that keyword. And then competition, the higher competition you have, the less chance of ranking for one of these keywords that you have as a website owner. So anything over 1 is pretty terrible. Anything under 1 is pretty good. Like, 0.01 is really good. So then you have trends. It kind of, if you click on it, it shows you the amount of searches for the last month based off of dates. So you have April 2020, and then it goes all the way to March 2021. And then at the end of this month here in April, it's going to show us April's information too. All right. So then you have the average monthly searches where it will show you there's 1 million to 10 million searches per month. This is just an average. If you use Google, just Google Chrome to look this up, that's all it's going to give you is just this information right here. It's not going to give you the volume. And then, of course, I ignore everything else. Everything else over here I ignore. I do not look at any of this information. So all I would do is I would go through and I would look at the volume and see, okay, well, what keywords are people looking up more when it comes to Anthropologie? So when it comes to my Google brand research, what I typically do is I use this to find what people are currently looking for. So I can already see the top search for Anthropologie according to the volume right here. And it's not always in order, FYI. Sometimes you have to scroll down and find more. But dresses are the top with 9.9K searches per month. And then I would just kind of scroll down and look for more. There's clothing. That's not really what I'm looking for. Maeve clothing. So Maeve is a sub-label of Anthropologie. So I would definitely write that down as like a sub-label. That's one of the top ones that people are looking for. And then I would continue to scroll down. I see Anthropologie earrings has a lot of search volume. Pilcrow jeans, Pilcrow and letterpress is another sub-label of Anthropologie. I would write that down as a sub-label. Jewelry, sweaters has 1,600 searches per month. Anthropologie jeans, 880 searches per month. So I just basically go through here and look up all of these keywords because these are what people are searching for right now. And, you know, you can go even further into it by just typing, let's just say, Pilcrow and the letterpress. We'll see what that comes up with. All right. So obviously, as you can see, there's not very many searches in the volume section, but Pilcrow and letterpress jeans are the top search with 390 searches per month. Really not a lot. Right here, it'll show you the month where you have the most searches for their jeans is in February and March of 2021. I'm not sure why it's showing 390, but whatever, it's close enough. So then you have, you know, the script jeans. I'm assuming that is a type of jean that they have. It's next when it comes to search volume. And the Stet jeans are next after that. And you can kind of scroll through and see there's a lot of these that have zero search volume at all. So people are not looking for these things. They're not typing these exact keywords in. So it's probably not really worth it to use those keywords. But anyway, that is it. Like, that is literally all you have to do. It's extremely easy to do. And, you know, take an hour or so and just play around with it. You would be very surprised. It's an extremely interesting tool and I really like it. So please keep in mind that Google Keyword Planner is only showing you what people are searching on the Google platform. They're not using Bing or Yahoo search, and some people do use those. This is just for Google. So that is it. I hope this was extremely helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like before you head out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below and I will get right back to you on those. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow on Monday in my new video. Have a great day. Take care and stay safe. Bye.